डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन के क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं विच आर इन एक्सरसाइज 3.4. वी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व. दैट क्वेश्चन इज इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. So how we perform this integration by partial fraction method? So here x to the power 5 is there and here it is x. तो इसमें हम x to the power 4 मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ पे x to the power 5 आएगा और यहाँ x to the power 4 which is derivative of x to the power 5. So multiply numerator and denominator by x to the power 4. So our integral I will be equal to x to the power 4 upon x raised to power 4 into x, that is x raised to power 5, x raised to power 5 plus 1 dx. Now this is derivative of this x to the power 5. So therefore we substitute t is equal to x to the power 5. So here we put t is equal to x to the power 5. Therefore dt by dx is equal to derivative of this is what? 5x to the power 4, and as we required here x to the power 4, so therefore it is dt upon 5 is equal to x to the power 4 into dx. So x to the power 4 into dx is what? dt upon 5. Substitute here, integral I will be equal to dt upon 5, denominator is t into t plus 1. Now this 1 upon 5, so integral I is equal to 1 upon 5 is constant, integral dt upon t into t plus 1. Now what are the partial fractions? 1 upon t into t plus 1. Now as here numerator is 1 and these are ये consecutive numbers है. For example 1 upon 3 into 4 we'll write as 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 when consecutive numbers are there. So these factors are 1 upon t minus 1 upon t plus 1, partial fraction. So 1 by t minus 1 upon t plus 1. LCM लेंगे t plus 1, t plus 1 minus t, numerator आएगा 1. So therefore integral I is equal to 1 upon 5 integral of, now in place of this integrand आपको लिखना है 1 upon t minus 1 upon t plus 1 and integration dt. Integration 1 upon t is log t, integration 1 upon t plus 1 is log t plus 1. So that it is 1 upon 5 log t minus log t plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 5 and plus constant of integration c. Now as our t is equal to x to the power 5, so therefore it is 1 upon 5 log of t upon t plus 1 plus c. That means log n minus log n it is, so log m upon n, and our t is equal to x to the power 5. So the last answer will be 1 upon 5 log of x to the power 5 upon x to the power 5 plus 1 plus c will be the answer of this integral. Question number 9, 2x square minus 1 x to the power 4 9x square plus 20. Look at the denominator. Denominator is a polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial in x square. It is a quadratic expression in x square. So we find factors of this 20. We factorize this 20. We can write as 4 and 5, which is 9. Middle term Therefore it is factors of this x square plus 4, x square plus 5 and x square plus 4 are the factors. डिनोमिनेटर के फैक्टर्स है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 एंड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4. 20 फैक्टराइज 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So this is a quadratic in x square. तो इसको फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. Then 2x square minus 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 9 x square plus 20. We'll write it. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2x square minus 1 upon denominator x square plus 5 into x square plus 4. Now numerator and all the terms are x square in terms of x square. So we substitute here x square is equal to what? M. Temporary to find the partial fraction. Here 2m minus 1 x square is equal to m upon m plus 5 and here x square is m, so m plus 5 and m plus 4. Put in the partial fraction a upon m plus 5 plus b upon m plus 4. 2m, LCM of the denominator is m plus 5 and m plus 4. A into m plus 4, b into m plus 5. We equate only numerator. 2m minus 1 is equal to a into m plus 4 plus b into m plus 5. If you put m is equal to minus 5, you will get a, and m is equal to minus 4, you will get b. We are interested to know a or b. So we put m is equal to minus 5 here. 2 into minus 5 minus 1 is equal to a into m. M is minus 5 plus 4. This is minus 1 and here it is minus 11. So therefore a will be equal to 11. Minus 1 a is equal to minus 11. That means a is what? 11. Then put m is equal to minus 4. Then this is reduced to 0. And here 2 into minus 4 minus 1 is equal to b into, this part we will not write because it reduced to 0, minus 4 plus 5. This is what? Minus 8 and minus 1 minus 9 and here b. So therefore b is equal to minus 9. This is minus 8, minus 1, minus 9 and this is what? 1 into b. So b is, a is 11 and b is equal to minus 9. Therefore in this equation we replace m by x square and a and b by this constant which you are getting. Therefore 2x square minus 1 upon x to the power 4 9x square plus 20. Now this is 2x square minus 1 upon x square plus 5 and x square plus 4. And this x square we replace by m. So m again we replace by x square. So that it is a upon, this is what? X square. So a is equal to 11 upon, this is what? X square. So x square plus 5. This is again x square and b is equal to minus 9 plus minus 9 upon x square plus 4 x square plus 4. Now it is ready to integrate, and here we use formula integral dx upon x square plus a square, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. This formula we use over here. So integral 2x square minus 1 x to the power 4 9x square plus 20 dx is equal to 11 x square plus 5 dx minus 9 x square plus 4 dx. So further we evaluate it. 11 into, here this is what root 5 square. So a is root 5. So 1 by root 5, 1 upon root 5, 1 by a it is. Tan inverse of x upon a, that is x upon root 5 minus 9 into, again here 2 square, so 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. So the complete answer we can write, integration of this is equal to 11 upon root 5 tan inverse of x upon root 5 minus 9 by 2 tan inverse of x upon 2 plus c. This completes the answer. Question number 10, x square plus 3 x square minus 1 x square minus 2 dx. You will observe that all the terms are in terms of x square. So in such case, temporarily we substitute what, m, to find the partial fraction. X square plus 3 upon, इसमें not in the integrand we will put x square, otherwise we will find x square, then derivative of that we have to find. But here to get only partial fraction, x square minus 1 और x square minus 2 है. So temporary we put what, m, that is x square. So it will become m plus 3 upon m minus 1 and m minus 2. इसके partial fraction will write a upon m minus 1 plus b upon n minus 2. Simplifying this, LCM of the denominator m minus 1 m minus 2 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो हम न्यूमरेटर को खाली इक्वेट करना है. m plus 3 is equal to a into m minus 2, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, प्लस b into m minus 1. This part will reduce to 0 if we put m is equal to 1. अगर इसमें m is equal to 1 रखते हैं ये इक्वेशन में, तो दिस पार्ट विल रिड्यूस टू 0 एंड यू विल गेट वैल्यू ऑफ a. सो वी पुट m इज इक्वल टू 1. सो m इज इक्वल टू 1 रखते हैं तो 1 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 माइनस 2 एंड प्लस b इंटू 0 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, विच इज माइनस 1 और ये 4 है. सो a विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, माइनस 4. a वी आर गेटिंग. देन पुट m इज इक्वल टू, put m is equal to 2, यहाँ पे 2 रखते हैं तो दिस पार्ट विल रिड्यूस टू 0, b मिलेगा आपको. सो m is equal to 2 रखते हैं यहाँ पे, 2 plus 3 is equal to, ये दिस इज 0, b into 2 minus 1, ये 1 होगा b and it is 5. So therefore b is equal to what, 5. So a is minus 4, b is equal to 5. Then in this equation we substitute m is equal to x square और a is equal to minus 4 और b का वैल्यू है 5. So therefore we are getting x square plus 3 upon x square minus 1 into x square minus 2, that is equal to a. What is our a? A is minus 4 upon m. M is equal to x square minus 1, and b is 5 plus 5 into 5 upon x square minus 2. M is equal to x square minus 2. Here m is equal to x square minus 1. A is minus 4, b is 5. Integrate this. So integration of this x square plus 3 upon x square minus 1 into x square minus 2 dx is equal to minus 4 constant है, integral of dx upon x square minus 1, then plus 5 again constant, integral of dx upon x square minus 2. दोनों इंटीग्रल it is of the form integral dx upon x square minus a square. इसका इंटीग्रेशन है 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. So it is must to remember this formula. So I is equal to, this integral I is equal to minus 4. Here a is 1, so 1 upon 2a, 1, that is log of x minus a, x minus 1 upon x plus a, then plus 5 into 1 upon 2a again, but a is here root 2 and whole square, so that will be root 2 log of, so it is dx upon x square minus root 2 square, so a मतलब root 2 है, so 1 by 2a log of x minus a, x minus root 2 upon x plus root 2 plus c. Then integral I is equal to, this we can write as 5 upon 2 root 2 log of mod of x minus root 2 upon x plus root 2 and minus 4 upon root 2, 4 upon 2 that is 2, so minus 2 times log of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. So this completes the answer. Question number 12, 2 raised to power x, 4 raised to power x. So 4 raised to power x मतलब 2 raised to power x square लिख सकते हैं हम. So you can say it is a quadratic in 2 raised to power x, क्योंकि 2 raised to power x square minus 3 into 2 raised to power x and minus 4. So ये है quadratic in 2 raised to power x. So first of all we simplify the denominator. 4 raised to power x minus 3 into 2 raised to power x minus 4, that we can write as 2 raised to power x whole square minus 3 into 2 raised to power x minus 4. Now we substitute t is equal to derivative of t, 2 raised to power x is 2 raised to power x into log 2, 2 raised to power x is there. तो हम इसमें substitute करेंगे, t is equal to, put t is equal to 2 raised to power x, therefore dt by dx is equal to 2 raised to power x into log 2, and required is 2 raised to power x into d raised to power x, so dt upon log 2 that is equal to 2 raised to power x into dx. 2 raised to power x into dx. So our integral I will become 2 raised to power x into dx मतलब dt upon log 2 है, dt upon log 2 and denominator 4 raised to power x, that is 2 raised to power x square, 2 raised to power x t है, so it is what t, therefore it is t square minus 3 into t minus 4, जहाँ पे 2 raised to power x इसमें t सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा. 1 upon log 2 कांस्टेंट है, that we write outside the integral 1 by log 2 integral of dt upon t square minus 3t minus 4, factors 4 minus 4 we factorize, that is यह minus 3 है, minus 4 into 1, so that minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3. So t square minus 3t minus 4 factors are t minus 4 or t plus 1, t minus 4 and t plus 1. So that integrand में क्या है, 1 upon t square minus 3t minus 4 है, so that we can write as 1 upon t minus 4 into t plus 1. फिर partial fraction we can put in the form a upon t minus 4 plus b upon t plus 1. Here left hand side is 1 upon this, so therefore 1 is equal to a into t plus 1 plus b into t minus 4. To get a and b substitute t is equal to 4, ये 0 होगा, this will reduce to 0. t is equal to 4 रखना है हमको, 1 is equal to a into, यहाँ पे 4 रखना है तो 4 plus 1, ये पार्ट 0 होगा and you will be getting a is equal to 1 by 5. This gives 5. Then put t is equal to minus 1. So if we put t is equal to minus 1, left hand side is 1, a into 0, minus 1 रखते हैं तो यहाँ पे 0 होगा, plus b into minus 1 minus 4, this is equal to b into minus 5, and finally you will get b is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Once you are getting a and b, आपका आधा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया. a is 1 by 5 and b is equal to, see it is minus 1 minus 4, it is minus 5. Here we put b is equal, t is equal to 4, then this will reduce to 0, 4 plus 1 it gives 5, so 1 upon 5. Then इस इक्वेशन में आपको a और b का वैल्यू रखना है, so that see integral I is equal to 1 by log t, log 2 and integration of 1 upon this, that is equal to a upon, a is 1 by 5. Now this 1 by log 2 multiplied to both the terms, therefore I am writing here curly bracket, a is 1 by 5 upon t minus 4 dt plus b is minus 1 upon 5 t plus 1 dt. Here integral dt upon t minus 4 dt upon t plus 1, so integral dx upon x plus a or x minus a, that is log of x minus a or x plus a. So we use that here, and 1 by log 2 integration of 1 upon 5 log of t minus 4 minus 1 upon 5 log of t plus 1 plus constant of integration c. 1 by 5, 1 upon 5 into log of 2 is there. This 1 by 5 we took common. Log of t minus 4, log m minus log n, that is log m upon n, t plus 1 plus c, or t is equal to 2 raised to power x is or t. So therefore we substitute it 1 upon 5 log 2 log of t is equal to 2 raised to power x minus 4 upon 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus c. So this completes the answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. इसमें डिनोमिनेटर जो है, सो दिस डिनोमिनेटर हैज रिपीटेड फैक्टर, लीनियर फैक्टर्स है तीनों रिपीटेड. दिस फैक्टर्स आर लीनियर बट दिस x प्लस 1 फैक्टर जो है वो रिपीट हुआ है. सो रिपीटेड लीनियर फैक्टर इस टाइप में आता है. द क्वेश्चन हैज type, see it is in the type denominator has repeated linear factor. So we'll put the factors like this. Partial fraction we will write a upon x plus 1, ये factor repeat हुआ है तो b upon x plus 1 square and plus c upon x plus 3. Then we simplify 3x minus 2, it is equal to, here LCM of the denominator is x plus 1 square into x plus 3. We'll write it x plus 1 square into x plus 3, that is equal to, here LCM is x plus 1 square into x plus 3. So here we multiply one more x plus 1 and x plus 3, a into plus b into x plus 1 square is there, so x plus 3 is need to multiply here, x plus 3 multiply करते हैं, plus c into, already x plus 3 is there, so x plus 1 square is multiplied here, c into x plus 1 square multiply. Therefore our numerator 3x minus 2 is equal to a into x plus 1 x plus 3, b into x plus 3 only, c into x plus 1 whole square. अभी a b c फाइंड करना है. x is equal to minus 1 रखते हैं तो ये 0 होगा, ये 0 होगा, b you will get. Put x is equals to what? Minus 1 both sides. So 3 into minus 1 minus 2 is equal to, ये part 0 होगा, this will be 0, the term will be 0, this term will be 0, and you will be getting b into x is equal to minus 1 over here, minus 1 plus 3, here minus 3 and minus 2, minus 5, it gives minus 5, यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, 2 into b, therefore b is equal to minus 5 by 2. You are getting b. Then put x is equals to minus 1 हुआ, अभी x is equals to minus 3 रखो. So if you put x is equals to minus 3, then this will be 0, this will be 0. We'll put x is equals to minus 3, then 3 into minus 3 minus 2, 3 into minus 3 minus 2, is equal to, this is 0, this is 0, c you will get, so c into minus 3 plus 1 whole square, and left hand side will become minus 11. This is minus 9 and minus 2, minus 11. Here it is minus 2 square, 4 into c, minus 2 square. So 4 into c. So that c is equal to minus 11 upon 4. C you are getting b, and now to get a, we equate coefficient of x square. So what are the coefficient of x square? Here you will not find any x square term in the left hand side. That means coefficient of, we equate coefficient of x square from both sides. What about left hand side? Left hand side there is no x square term, so its coefficient will be 0. राइट हैंड साइड में एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट, अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, एक ही टर्म मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर का, और ये ए आपको इमेजिन करना है, ए एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स इंटू एक्स, एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाई ए, यहाँ पे ए ही रहेगा, एक ही टर्म मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर में, यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर में टर्म मिलेगा नहीं, सो विल लीव इट, विल एक्सपेंड दिस, एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1, तो एक्स स्क्वायर पहला टर्म इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सी, मतलब खाली c आएगा. दैट मीन्स राइट हैंड साइड में a प्लस सी इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्स स्क्वायर इसको एक्सपैंड करते हैं और वी विल कलेक्ट द टर्म एक्स स्क्वायर, तो एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन लेने पर a प्लस सी रहेगा. यू आर गेटिंग c इज इक्वल टू माइनस 11 अपॉन 4, देयरफॉर 0 इज इक्वल टू a इंटू a प्लस माइनस 11 अपॉन 4. दैट मीन्स you are getting a is equal to 11 upon 4. So a is 11 upon 4, b is minus 5 upon 2, and c is minus 11 upon 4. This is, here we consider this equation. यहाँ पे हमको corresponding values substitute करके evaluate करेंगे. So integral I is equal to a is 11 upon 4. Integral 11 upon 4 x plus 1 dx. Then c is minus 11 upon 4 और ये b is minus 5 upon 2 plus integral b is minus 5 upon 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. C is minus 11 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Denominator is x plus 3 dx. Here dx. Constants we write outside the integral sign. Then we will get our integral I is equal to constant 11 upon 4 integral dx upon x plus 1. ये माइनस 11 अपॉन 4 पहले लिखते हैं, dx अपॉन x प्लस 3, और सेकेंड टर्म जो मिडिल टर्म है माइनस 5 अपॉन 2 इंटीग्रल ऑफ minus 5 upon 2 constant we'll write outside, and this we write as x plus 1 raised to power minus 2 dx. Now integration of this is log, and ये x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 form है. 11 upon 4 log of x plus 1 minus 11 upon 4 log of x plus 3 minus 5 upon 2 x plus 1 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Now 11 upon 4 we can take common. 11 upon 4 log n minus log n, so it is log of x plus 1 x plus 3, ये माइनस 1 होगा और ये भी -1 होगा. This -1 and this it will be +5/2 log x plus 1 raised to power -1, that is 1 upon x plus 1 and plus c. This will complete the answer. Exercise 3.4 is continued in the next video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.